Hello everyone, this time we have a video for Luca, and on my maths he was stuck on some of his angles work, and it was in particular, it was these two questions. Now I think the maths, is actually fairly straightforward if the angles were just rotated slightly, and it might just be that you're not familiar with this sort of notation. So if we go through them, I'll try and explain what I mean. It says AB is equal to AC, which means the line between A and B, this line here, is equal in size to this line here. And if those two are the same length, it means that this is an isosceles triangle, like that. Now, I know you've seen loads of questions like this before with isosceles triangles, but nearly always in year 6, they're nearly always done like that. And then you just kind of, I don't know, once you've done a few of them, you just recognise that type of question. Whereas this one is a bit different just because it's been rotated. So now we know that it's basically this sort of question. I think it's fairly straightforward. So if this is 72 degrees, then this one has to be 72 degrees. Add those together is 144 degrees. Our starting number for any triangle, the internal angles of a triangle, always going to be 180. Take away the two angles that we know, and that will leave us with 36 degrees. So x equals 36 degrees. And then this triangle here, the last question, Luca, this one is pretty similar. It takes it up another level, where it has kind of two things going on, but it comes down to the same thing. I think the reason you'd have been stuck is for the same reason. And again, AB equals AC. This line here is the same as this line here, which means this is an isosceles triangle. So if we can work out what this angle is, it'll be the same as this one over here, okay? So how do we work out this one? Well, again, we've got 90, and I've not written it down. What was the other one? The other one was, give me a second. The other one was 61. So this one here is 61 degrees. So 90 add 61 is 151 degrees. And we're just using this triangle here at the moment. So this is 90, this is 61, which means this is 151. So 180, take away 151 is 29 degrees. This is 29 degrees. And as I've already explained, if this is the centre of our isosceles triangle, then if this is 29 degrees, then this must be. So x equals 29 degrees. Okay, hope that helps a little bit, Luca. If not, just let us know via email and we'll do another video, maybe give you some more examples, something like that. Okay, otherwise I'll see you later and speak to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.